Does starving yourself help you lose weight? Now there's a question that's been circling around for years, and today we're here to put the myth to rest. Welcome to MythBusters, the weight loss edition. Diving straight into it, the first myth up for discussion: starving leads to weight loss. This is a common misconception, but in reality, it's far from the truth. When you starve your body, it goes into survival mode, slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. This means you'll be burning fewer calories, not more. So instead of starving, focus on balanced, healthy meals that provide the nutrients your body needs. Moving on to the next myth: carbohydrates make you fat. Carbs have been under fire for a while, but it's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbohydrates, found in foods like whole grains and vegetables, are an essential part of a healthy diet. They provide energy and keep you feeling full. It's the processed carbs in sugary snacks and white bread that you should watch out for. Next up, we have: you can target specific areas for weight loss. This is a popular one, but unfortunately, it's just not true. The body decides where it loses fat from, and it's usually a whole body process. So those crunches alone won't make your belly fat disappear. Combine strength training with cardio and a healthy diet for overall weight loss. Then, there's the myth that supplements can help you lose weight. While certain supplements may support weight loss, they are not magic pills. Real, sustainable weight loss comes from a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise. Relying on supplements alone is not a viable or healthy long-term solution. Finally, let's tackle the myth that eating late at night causes weight gain. It's not when you eat, but what and how much you eat that matters. Consuming more calories than your body uses, regardless of the time of day, will result in weight gain. In conclusion, remember that starving yourself slows down your metabolism. Not all carbohydrates are bad. You can't target specific areas for weight loss, supplements alone won't help you lose weight, and eating late at night doesn't cause weight gain. It's all about maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. So, next time you hear these myths, you'll be equipped with the facts. And remember, everybody is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what works best for you. Here's to your health and well-being.